Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Venmo transaction history securely step by step clearly. Open the Venmo app on your smartphone. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the main menu. Tap on the icon that resembles three horizontal lines or the symbol. In the menu, select Settings. Find the Privacy option in the Settings menu. Tap on Privacy to access your privacy settings. Scroll down to locate the Venmo Histories section. Select the option for Export Transaction History. Choose your preferred format for the export, typically CSV or PDF. You will see a confirmation prompt. Confirm your choice to proceed. A notification will appear indicating that your transaction history is being prepared. Once completed, you will receive a link to download your transaction history. Ensure that you save this file to a secure location on your device. Consider transferring the file to an external hard drive or a secure cloud service for added safety. If you're using a computer, log into your Venmo account via the website. Locate the statement section in your account dashboard. Choose the time frame for your transaction history. Click on Download to save the statement securely. Always verify that the downloaded file contains the expected transaction details. After backing up, ensure that the file is encrypted if possible. Delete any unneeded copies from your device to maintain security. Regularly repeat this backup process to stay updated on your transaction history. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.